Right now, your air conditioner is fighting a free 55-degree cooling system already sitting beneath your backyard.
30 feet underground, your well water has stayed at 55 degrees since the last ice age. Meanwhile, your central air conditioner burns thousands of watts trying to cool your house. A physics professor named Carl Nielsen connected those two facts back in 1948. He built an air conditioning system using nothing but his backyard well. And somehow, the cooling industry buried the idea for decades.
Your well already pumps naturally cold water every single day.
And that water is colder than most refrigerant systems can produce naturally.
The well loop is ridiculously simple. You pump well water through a car radiator while a fan blows air across it.
The room gets cold without a compressor. The physics is where things get crazy. A standard residential well can transfer nearly 20,000 BTUs of thermal energy every loop. That small well loop can cool a room almost as well as a full air conditioner, using only cold groundwater. And the aquifer barely notices. The Earth itself is acting like a giant thermal battery. Even the Department of Energy confirms that underground temperatures stay naturally stable year-round. So why isn't every house using this already?
Because the industry replaced a $300 idea with a $20,000 version. In 1974, regulations changed everything. Overnight, simple well cooling systems were buried under regulations, paperwork, and expensive permit fees. Then plastic pipe changed the geothermal industry forever.
Closed-loop geothermal systems became the new standard. But they were massively more expensive. The original well loop idea almost disappeared.
Yet the physics never stopped working. A 5-watt circulator pump can replace thousands of watts of compressor power. Your well water becomes the refrigerant. And the slightly warmer water simply flows back into your backyard. Before building the system, there's one important thing you need to test first. Hard water can destroy cheap radiators fast. But if the water checks out, the system is almost stupidly simple. A used car radiator costs around $40.
A small fan blows room air across the cold coil, pushing cool air back into the bedroom.
The groundwater pulls heat out of the room and carries it back underground.
In just one afternoon, your bedroom can have almost free cooling.
And even without a well, there's still another way to use the earth for cooling.
A closed loop buried underground can cool the house too.
And full geothermal systems can heat and cool the entire home year-round.
But the cheapest version is still the original one.
The earth beneath your house is already doing the hard part. And once you realize your backyard is a giant free battery, you'll never look at air conditioning the same way again.